A patient will contact us either by email or by telephone, and they will be given an appointment. They may well have a lengthy conversation with our receptionist or one of our coordinators, and then they book an appointment for an assessment with me. At that visit, I will look in their mouth very, very carefully using specialist equipment, and we will then formulate a plan so that we can come up with properly structured treatment course. We give patients options, we tell them what's available, we tell them what the prices are, and at the end of the day, of course, it's all about the patient, so we let them make the choice once they've been engaged in the process. I think that most patients are nervous to a certain extent, and that ranges from mild apprehension to total fear. And we like to think that we will handle you sympathetically. We listen to what you want, we listen to what your fears are, and at the end of the day, you, the patient, are in charge. We like to think that modern dentistry is not like the dentistry of old, that could be a very painful, unpleasant experience. Now, whilst we realise that modern dentistry has changed beyond belief compared with the old-fashioned days, we don't pretend it's going to be a wonderful, pleasant experience. But the one thing we do is we make sure that any unpleasantness is reduced to an absolute minimum.
I like the practice because, one, it's in town, so it's easy to get to for me. I also like it because, no matter when I call, I'm always seen really quickly, which is really important. I mean, I work obviously full time, and it's good to get, to see him quickly, and I never have to wait too long to see him. I like Willie because I like his style. He's quite relaxed. He's got lots of chat. Quite often he talks to you when he's doing his work, which makes it quite difficult to answer him, which I think he does deliberately, but I like his style, I really do.
In my view, patients should choose the Polwarth Dental Clinic because it's really friendly. When you first come in here, it's very, very professional. All the staff are very caring, always looking after your needs here. Willie himself is always interested in your kind of background and what you've been doing. It's not just about coming in for your appointment. Everyone seems to be concerned for you as well. They remember you by your name when you come in here, so it's like having a very personalised service.
I would recommend the Polwarth Dental Clinic to absolutely anyone. The reason I've known Willie for over 20 years, I came here as a student, and Willie just makes you feel really comfortable. Obviously he's very professional. If you were going to be dumped in some desert 350 miles from anywhere and you needed a dentist, he's the man to have.
The team at the Polwarth Dental Clinic are great. They're always very friendly, easy to deal with. They're always very efficient in reminding me about my appointments by text message. For a dentist, he's very down to earth and very easy to speak to, easy to deal with. And that makes all the difference.
I don't think you actually realise how much you smile throughout the day, or how much focus and attention people pay to you and your teeth and your mouth when you're talking, actually. So having the treatment done has given me a lot more confidence. I've had so many compliments from friends, family and strangers who I've not met before, so that's when you know the results have been really good.
I have an interest in railway history, and Edinburgh is a famous railway city. And I've had the opportunity over the years to buy at auctions some historic railway posters, some of which are virtually unique. And we now have a collection of over a dozen vintage railway posters showing views of Edinburgh and the castle and some famous locomotives. We've even had some art critics come in just to look at the posters. We like to think it's a fairly unique environment that we have here in this practice. To provide a patient with a completely new smile is so rewarding and challenging, but at the end of the day, when I see my patients walking out with that brand new smile, beaming to their friends and relatives, it is so rewarding.